The fastest recorded runner in the world, the cheetah, can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.1 seconds, run at a maximum speed of 103 km per hour, or 28.6 meters per second, 28.6 meters per second, and do so for about 12 seconds, about 350 meters. Unlike short-distance human runners, the cheetah does not only follow a straight line while running at this speed, but can make very sharp turns with the balance given by its tail. During the chase, the cheetah's heart rate can go from 60 beats per minute to 170 beats per minute. The cheetah reaches 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds, which is equivalent to the 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration of a Ferrari F360 Medina. In addition, even when running at 140 km, it makes very hard turns at an incredible angle that no motor vehicle, even F1 cars, which are aerodynamic wonders, can do.